honorable members of the Congress, esteemed colleagues, and fellow Filipinos, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Today, I rise not only as a lawmaker, but as a fellow Filipino who believes in the power of love, the strength of family, and the dignity of every human being. We are gathered here to address a matter that challenges tradition but demands compassion. Same-sex marriage in the Philippines. This is not just a legal issue, it is a human issue. It is about our sons and daughters, our friends, our neighbors, our fellow citizens who have long lived in the margins, quietly loving, quietly waiting for recognition, for respect, for equal protection under the law. Let us begin with a simple truth. Every Filipino deserves equal rights, regardless of who they love. The Constitution guarantees the equal protection of the law to all. And yet, for the LGBTQIA plus Filipinos, that protection remains incomplete. They can love, yes, but they cannot marry. They can build family, yes, but not with full support and rights that others enjoy. Some may say this is against our culture, but I ask, it is not in our culture to value pamilya? It is not deeply Filipino to fight for love, for loyalty, and for the right to build a home. Marriage, at its core, it is commitment between two people who choose to share their lives in love and responsibility. Why should the gender of those two people matter in the eyes of the law? Let me be this clear. This is not a special treatment. This is equal treatment. Supporting same-sex marriage is not about awakening the Filipino family. It is about expanding it to be more inclusive, more compassionate, and more just. Imagine a society where no child grows up thinking they must hide who they are. Imagine a country where love is not limited by the law. This is not about politics. This is about people. Mga kababayan, let us be on the right side of history. Let us build a Philippines that does not fear change, but embraces it with wisdom, with heart, and with justice. Let us pass the legislations that affirms that love is love, and that all love, when rooted in commitment and respect, deserves a place under the law. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay Pilipinas.